An important component of creating prototypes is to define how the user will interact with it. This is done by adding interactions. For example, a user can define that the click of a specific button takes them to another screen. The easiest way to add an interaction on an item is through the interaction wizard. Drag a connector from the wizard icon to the target screen to create a simple go-to-screen interaction on the selected item. You can create and manage interactions through the Interactions tab in the inspector on the right. Interactions have two key elements: the trigger, that determines when the interaction will be set off, and the action, that determines what will happen. For example, on most UI items, you can choose to trigger an action on tap, swipe, mouse over, mouse out, or other web and mouse triggers. The action can be go to screen, show, hide, or animate item, or any other from the long list of actions available. You have full flexibility to create any combination of trigger and action that suits your needs. In the same area, you can edit other settings, such as transition, for example, slide left, slide right, and delay. These depend on the type of action that you are creating. You can add more than one action to the interaction using the Add New Callback Action button. The second action will start as soon as the first has been completed. Some types of UI components have specific triggers tailored to their functionality. They are always found in the Trigger dropdown after the Common section. For example, a text field component allows you to trigger an action when a user focuses on the text field, focuses out, or presses a key. On a video component, you can trigger an action when the video starts playing, is paused, or when the video ends. The same goes for other types of UI items.